Hey everyone, I wanted to give you a closer look at my book. If you want to hear more about it, me talking about it, you can watch this video that I posted recently, but someone pointed out very correctly that you couldn't get a good view of the book. Now on Amazon, I think they have the look inside feature in the listing, but anyway, I thought I would show you the book. So it's called Watercolor Freedom, Painting Techniques to Unleash Creative Joy and Intuition. And it has 158 pages. And it starts with some artwork and a quote from Frida Kahlo, "Painting has completed my life." We have then the contents, and I'm not going to show you every page, but I'll show you a few things that I marked. The first pages, I hope you will read them because it will give you some insight into my world of watercolors and what I did before I started painting, and a little bit about how I learned to paint and kind of the lessons that I learned. Then we have the watercolor supplies section, which doesn't really point you to specific materials. It gives you my wisdom from buying way too much paint. So hopefully this will help you to make well-informed decisions. Talk about paint, paper, brushes. And then we have a section that I really wanted to include and I just think is really fun to look at and kind of be inspired. And it says my favorite colors and why I love them. And as you can see, it's just strips of gorgeous watercolor, including a little explanation about each color, not all of them, but most of them. And then we go into section 1, which is called Getting Comfortable with Watercolor or Color, and it talks about really the basics, swatching, mixing, that sort of thing. So I give you some ideas and tips and show you the process. And then this section, I really am so happy this is in the book, and this is a section about color mixes, and there are quite a few pages of these color mixes. I haven't been able to find these in color mixing books, and so I hope you will also be inspired and get an idea of what bringing some kind of specialty colors or more unique colors into your collection can do for your watercolor and mixes. For example, here you can see I mixed my beloved Holbein Bright Rose with Daniel Smith Cascade Green, and I just hope you can see the separation and granulation. So interesting. You won't get that effect if you just mix a pink with a green, so I really wanted to kind of showcase that, and with emphasis on complementary colors and, you know, those granulating, separating colors. I mean, look at this one. This is Daniel Smith Violet Hematite Genuine mixed with Buff Titanium, and isn't that beautiful? So this is just to give you an idea of what you can do with watercolor. This is another beautiful example. Cobalt Turquoise with Naples Yellow Reddish. How gorgeous is that? So pretty. So this is this section. There are quite a few pages here. And then we move into, this is a bit more of that beginning section. Then we move into section 2, which is the bulk of the book, which has a bunch of tutorials. And I'll show you my favorite one, which is painting in a series. So these are all written tutorials with photos, like a step-by-step tutorial, and this one is a demonstration of a painting, or it's more like a warm-up, a sketching session, painting a few beach scenes and how I go about it, explaining my process. And this is like, I really like this tutorial. It was a lot of fun to make. And then section 3 is Beyond Watercolors. So there's a little bit of extra here, talking about adding metallics, adding oil pastels, adding oil sticks, and also showing you how to make your own sketchbook, which I'll probably do another video because I just ordered another little golden book, which is my favorite book to alter. So here's my current favorite, the Frida Kahlo one. I absolutely love it, and I just ordered 2 more. I ordered the Ruth Bader Ginsburg one. I thought that was so lovely that they made one, and the Secret Garden one. I thought that could be fun for florals and stuff. So I show you exactly how to do that here, and then that's it. A few more helpful tips, a little bit about me, and some artwork to end it, and then a few more of the offerings that I have, like my channel and courses and stamps and all that. So that is the book. Thank you so much to all of your lovely comments, to everyone that already bought the book. I'm so grateful, and I hope you will enjoy this and that you will gain some watercolor freedom. I'll see you soon in another video. Bye bye.